Hi everyone, I'm here for hashtag Altered Index 2024, where each week our host, who is Nonstop Paper Crafts, on Tuesdays picks three new prompts. This is week 12, March 26th, and I am doing it on the day she did the prompts. I might not always do that, but I was able to this week. So she picks three different things: a word, which was calm this time, a color, which was silver this time, and a thing, which was weather this time. And I did struggle a little bit with this to start, but I managed. So I pulled a couple papers out of this last year 2023 paper pack called Rain or Shine. It has cute little critters and stuff on it, but I used this was I cut a piece out of the middle that had cloud and flowers on it, is what I'm trying to say. And also I used just a sliver of this that looks like rain. And you'll see how I use that soon. I also used one little sunshine that I stenciled out of this Simple Stories stencil, which it's called Sunshine. And probably that doesn't line up because the stencil's actually supposed to go over here. Anyway, and I used friendly gnomes, but I just used the girl and the squirrel and this word spring. I cut off the rest of the sentiment. And I did die cut the girl, but the squirrel I had to fussy cut. What a pain that was. But this is my second time. Oh, and I also used some glimmer paper by Miss Sparkle and Co., which was Joanne's years ago. And I just opened that recently. And Retired Cloud Punch by Stampin' Up. So this is my book where I keep things. And here's the prompts. And I've already checked done. This is the second page, week 12. And here is my project. I've already put it in here because this is my second time recording this video. I kept getting phone interruptions the first time. This is washi tape. This is a little bit of the rain paper. Here's the little squirrel. And I did use around the clouds, I used this Pen Touch Sakura Silver Medium Point 2.0 mm Quick Dry Permanent Marker. And originally I got this out and I thought it was silver, but then I kept reading after I used it and it said Deco Just Glitter. It's just glitter. Oh, now see, it does say silver. Anyway, there's a little bit of silver glitter on only this cloud, because then I thought I don't want all the clouds to be glittery. So I thought that made it look like that's more of a stormy cloud where these are more clear, but I put silver around all of them in this pen because, I wanted to look like a storm is coming. So it's bright and shiny over here. Here the sun's getting buried by the cloud. And I looked through all my words that I could find in my planning stuff, thinking I would be able to find something to say stay calm, because none of my stamps that I could find have it. But all I found was stay positive, stay strong, stay true, no stay calm, no, not even calm. And then after I went online and I just printed a definition or like, sayings about calm before the storm. So I just printed it and then cut it out of copy paper and glued it onto the clouds. And this is where the spring is out of the stamp set. And here's my little Nomi girl looking at the squirrel who's partway in the rain now. So it's calm over here, but they're coming into the storm, which is what we're going to have tomorrow and the next day. Rain again. We are definitely in spring rainy mode. We had a really nice day yesterday. Today started out kind of sunny and now it's all cloudy, getting a little cooler and breezier, and it's actually getting pretty cold here at nights this week again. Anyway, tomorrow midday or sometime it's supposed to rain and then all day Thursday as well. So we are in the calm before the storm as I record this. I hope you enjoyed that. Not my favorite one that I've done, but there it is, with the prompts calm, weather, and silver. And I think oh, and I put little silver dots on her little shoes. They had like a little button closure or something. And yeah, she's colored in with alcohol markers, so is the squirrel. He was hard to fussy cut. I don't like to fussy cut, and he was little and yeah. Anyway, it's done. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful week. I hope you weather the storms if you're having them well. And I hope to see you again very soon. Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.